This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can switch the shooting mode on this device. So first method you can use, you will need the action pod so here, swipe to the left or to the right from the middle of the screen, and here are your modes. So inside it, or inside this page, you can switch between video, photo, HDR photo, interval photo, star lapse, loop recording, slow motion, time shift, time lapse, free frame modes. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.